Hey everybody, this is just a quick video in case you have a Miele washing machine, or Miele washing machine. Everybody tells me I say it wrong in the video. The Miele washing machine, and you're getting an F1 error. So what is this and how to get rid of it? So the F1 error is a short circuit error. It's an error in the electronics that has something to do with the water or the heating of the machine. So the only thing you can really do before calling out for a technician to come find out what's going on and maybe replace a control panel or something like that is, these modern machines, just like computers, they can just kind of throw up these random electrical errors depending on what's going on. And the best thing that you can do to try to fix it is to do a hard reset on the machine. So in order to do a hard reset, all you need to do is turn the machine off, disconnect it from power completely, either unplug it from the wall or turn it off at the circuit so that it has no electricity to it, and leave it unplugged for a whole minute, and then come back and turn it back on and see if that doesn't clear out the error or that it doesn't come back. Hopefully it will, if it comes back repeatedly and you're unable to use the machine, you're probably going to have to call a technician. But anyways, hope that'll get rid of it. Hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.